we want to solve the following equations. We have x plus 3 is equal to 9. Solving the equation means ending up with x on its own on one side of the equation, an equal sign, and a number on the other side. Remember that equations are like balances. We have x plus 3 here, so 3 is being added to the x. We want x on its own. So we can write x plus 3 and then subtract 3 from the left-hand side. But if we do this to the left, we have to do it to the right. Note we have 3 subtracted from both sides. Doing the same to both sides maintains balance. Plus 3 take away 3 is 0, so the only thing left on the left is x. 9 take away 3 is 6, so we have x equals 6. Another method commonly used is the magic curtain or float and ping method. We'd start with x plus 3 is equal to 9, and the equal sign is viewed as a magic curtain. We don't want the 3 on this side of the equation. We want it moved to the other side. When we move it to the other side, the magic curtain changes its sign, so instead of being plus 3, it becomes minus 3. And then we have x is equal to 6. I don't like this method as much as doing the same thing to both sides. When you practice with doing the same thing to both sides, it will look exactly the same. But for maths further on, it's better to view your equation as a balance. If we now consider a minus 7 equals 12, we want a on its own. At the moment 7 is subtracted. The opposite to subtracting is adding, so let's add 7. We need to do the same to the other side of the equation. Take away 7 plus 7 is 0, so we're just left with a, and 12 plus 7 is 19. We could have done that using the magic curtain or float and ping method. The magic curtain is at the equal sign. When the 7 moves across to the other side, as if by magic, its sign changes. So it becomes plus 7 instead of minus 7. Here we have 17 equals b minus 5. There's no reason why I can't write this the other way round. b minus 5 is equal to 17. The equal sign, remember, just means that the two things are exactly the same. So it doesn't matter which is on the left and which is on the right. We have minus 5 on the left, so if we add 5 to both sides of the equation, we will remove this minus 5. Remember, doing exactly the same to both sides. Minus 5 add 5 is 0, so we're left with b, and 17 add 5 is 22.